So here's how you can fix cellular issues on your iPhone. So if your cellular data is just not working for whatever reason, this is what you can do. At first, you can open up the settings and tap on the general and then tap on about section. And if there is a carrier settings update, you will see an option to update. It is not the software iOS update, but it's just for the carrier connection settings. So this might appear right there, and you also want to make sure that you update to the latest one. Of course, keep in mind that updating to iOS is always a good idea as it might help with these issues as well. What you can also do is to reset the network settings. So still inside of the general, when you scroll all the way towards the bottom, you have the transfer or reset iPhone, and then tapping on reset, it gives you the ability to reset the network settings, which means that this will disconnect you from the Wi-Fi. It will forget all of the passwords and perhaps even other Bluetooth connections, but it does make sense to reset it if you just find issues with connectivity on your device. If you are using VPN, then try disabling it for at least a point of time, for a few minutes to see if it makes any difference, because I've seen a lot of people saying that when they turn off VPN, their mobile data just started working again. So give that a shot if you're using VPN. Besides this, a couple of different resets might work. So for example, restarting the iPhone is always a good idea. As I said, updating to the iOS. And also, some people simply just backed up their iPhone and wiped the phone entirely and then reset it from the backup, which gave them a clean slate so they could start again. And a lot of people were just trying to just make it work that way, and a lot of people succeeded based on what I read on different forums and stuff. But at the end of the day, it's very likely that you will need to get in touch with your carrier, and there might be some issues they need to fix or get clear with you. So perhaps this is the best option which you can perform. Anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to get it fixed, or if there are some other questions you might have, leave them below. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe to another straight to the point video like this one, and I'll see you in the future.